Easy now, take your time down the ramp. All right, steady, let's go.
Easy, easy, watch your step. We're clear on the left, proceeding to the internal pathway.
Keep them moving straight ahead.
Hold them right there.
Hold him right there.
All placements in Sector 4 are secured.
Position and stability look perfect.
Steady, move along now. This way to the rest zone.
Move them on up, keep them steady. Hold it right there, secure lane 4.
Okay, lung sounds are clear. Let's start the ultrasound.
Setting the depth now, doctor. Kidney looks good.
All right, easy now, right into the bay. Activating sequence B. Check the water temperature settings.
This meets the Epic factory standard. Yeah.
Absolutely perfect finish.
Make sure the edges are aligned on that pallet. Got it, scanning the last batch now.
Thickness is within spec.
Let's get these sorted and stacked.
Station 1 is ready.
Flow is steady on line 45.
The alignment on the left spindle is off by 2 microns.
Adjusting the feed rate now. That should correct it.